Hello DSP. To add a new root type you should log in as an admin. Then go to the left Options menu and select Global Settings. Then go to the Settings and select Manage Root Types. On this new page, please click on 3 dots and click Add Root Type. A new dialog box will open where you can add details related to your new root type. If the root type you are trying to add in the system is not an Amazon root, then you can use the same root name in the Amazon root name. Click the Save button at the bottom of the box and new root type will be added to the list. Once the new root type is added, you can search and select this new root from Root Type drop-down menu when you are entering or editing a DDR. Good day, we truly value our partnership with you.